In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your expert option app. So this can be done on either Android smartphone or an iPhone. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using an Android smartphone, and then I'll show you how to do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking it and also by subscribing to my channel. Now to do it, go to Google Play Store and tap on it to open, and from here look for your app. If you are on iPhone, go ahead and look for App Store, and then you should be able to search for your app. So I'll proceed and search for my app, and here it is. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have an option to update this app. By updating your app, you'll be able to fix most of the errors that are associated with the app. You'll also be able to fix and make sure that your app is secure, as well as get the latest features. As you can see here, this is not up-to-date app, and we need to go ahead and update it to the latest version. To do so, I'll just tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version and install it on my smartphone. So the download is done and the installation has begun, and soon it should be done. And here we go. Now from here, you can proceed and tap on open, and now you'll be using the latest version of expert option. So that's how you update your expert option app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly like it and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.